Did you know that the breakfast your child eats could be breaking their health and their future? That's right. What they eat in the morning can affect everything from their energy levels to their performance in school and even their long-term health. But don't worry, it's not too late to turn things around. In this video, we'll show you the powerful foods that can set your child up for a day full of energy, focus, and success. So, what does your child need to eat in the morning to fuel their body and brain for success? Let's dive into the world of healthy breakfast foods that will help your kids thrive. Healthy eating for kids. Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. After a long night of sleep, your child's body needs fuel to recharge and get going. A nutritious breakfast provides the essential vitamins, minerals, and energy to help them feel their best, both physically and mentally. Kids who skip breakfast often feel tired, irritable, and can struggle with focus in school. Eating a balanced breakfast with the right nutrients can help kids maintain steady energy levels, avoid mid-morning crashes, and even support their growth and development. So, let's take a closer look at some of the best breakfast options to keep them fueled for the day ahead. Healthy breakfast foods for kids. Let's start with whole grains. Whole grain foods like oatmeal, whole grain bread, and whole grain cereal are packed with fiber, which helps keep kids feeling full longer and stabilizes their blood sugar. Oats, in particular, are rich in beta-glucan, a type of fiber that helps lower cholesterol and supports heart health. In fact, studies show that kids who eat oatmeal for breakfast tend to have better focus in class and improved cognitive function. Plus, oatmeal is versatile. You can top it with fresh fruits like berries, bananas, or even a dollop of nut butter for added nutrition and flavor. Speaking of fruit, fruits should be a key part of your child's morning routine. Whether it's fresh fruit like apples, oranges, or berries, or a smoothie packed with spinach, bananas, and berries, fruits are loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your child's immune system, skin health, and even brain function. For example, vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges, strawberries, and kiwi help strengthen the immune system, while bananas provide potassium, which is essential for healthy muscles and nerves. Next, let's talk about protein. Adding lean proteins to breakfast, like eggs, yogurt, or nuts, gives your child the amino acids they need for muscle growth and repair. Protein also helps keep them full longer, preventing those mid-morning snack cravings. Eggs, for instance, are an excellent source of high-quality protein and are rich in choline, which supports brain development and memory. Pairing eggs with veggies like spinach or tomatoes can boost your child's intake of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making for a complete and balanced breakfast. For a fun twist, you can even make egg muffins or frittatas in advance with veggies, cheese, and a sprinkle of herbs, so breakfast is both nutritious and easy to prepare. While a healthy breakfast sets kids up for success, skipping breakfast or eating unhealthy options can have the opposite effect. Many common breakfast foods like sugary cereals, pastries, and sugary drinks may taste great, but they provide very little nutritional value. Did you know that consuming sugary breakfasts can cause blood sugar spikes, followed by a crash? This can leave kids feeling tired, irritable, and unable to focus in class. Studies show that children who eat sugary cereals or pastries in the morning often struggle with attention and behavior in school. These types of breakfasts are also linked to an increased risk of obesity and diabetes. In fact, children who regularly eat sugary breakfasts are more likely to have higher body mass index (BMI) and are at a greater risk of developing type 2 diabetes later in life. So, instead of sugary cereals or pastries, opt for whole grain options, fruits, and protein-rich foods that will help your child feel their best all morning long. Healthy breakfast for long-term benefits. A healthy breakfast doesn't just benefit kids in the short term, it sets them up for long-term success. Kids who eat balanced breakfasts are more likely to develop good eating habits that last throughout their lives. They're also more likely to excel in school, sports, and other activities. By giving your kids healthy, balanced breakfasts, you're giving them the tools they need to be successful, not just in school, but in life. So, why not start the day off with a healthy meal that will help them grow strong, think clearly, and feel energized? Thanks for watching. We hope this video inspired you to create healthier, tastier breakfasts for your kids. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on nutrition, health, and family well-being. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents looking for healthy eating ideas.